Power BI provides game-changing insights that are dependent on vast amounts of data, but these need to be accessed seamlessly and securely. And enterprises are faced with the ongoing challenge of securing access to data for thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of employees. PlainID makes it easier to manage Power BI by centralizing data access control. With centralized policy management, PlainID provides a standardized way to consistently manage and enforce policies throughout the enterprise. Users are often given more permissions than their roles should allow due to oversights in security or lack of expertise in the reporting tools they use. PlainID makes it easy to create policies in plain language that are simple to understand and can be applied everywhere. Gain complete transparency of authorization throughout your technology stack with the ability to manage, test, and approve policies. PlainID authorizers help you quickly extend access control policies to industry-leading data solutions. Improve data security for your enterprise with a solution that provides full visibility and control of data access, a standardized authorization framework, and scalability that supports business growth. If you have Power BI, you need PlainID, the identity security company.